Tuple. Tuple means holds an ordered sequence of items. Tuple is immutable object, means cannot be modified. Creating a tuple created by enclosing elements within parentheses or round brackets. Each item is separated by a comma. Let's take an example. A equal to 2, tuple 1 equal to within parentheses 5 comma string 6 comma a comma 8.2 print of type of tuple 1 print of tuple 1. Let's run it. See, the output is type is tuple. Items in tuple are 5 comma 6 comma 2 comma 8.2. Tuple with a single item. Let's take one example. A equal to within parentheses 1 comma print of type of A print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is type is tuple. Items in tuple is 1. Accessing tuple elements. Accessing tuple elements is also similar to string and list accessing and slicing. In this example, I am giving print of tuple 1 within square brackets 1. Let's run it. See, the output is 6. Tuples are immutable. Tuples does not support modification. Let's take an example. Tuple 1 equal to within parentheses 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 5. Tuple 1 within brackets 3 equal to 4. Print of tuple 1. Let's run it. See, the output is type error, that is, tuple object does not support item assignment. Operations can be done on tuples. Len function, iterating, slicing. Converting to tuple. Syntax is tuple of sequence takes a sequence and converts into tuple. String to tuple. Let's take an example. Color equal to within double quotes red. Tuple 1 equal to tuple of color. Print of tuple 1. Let's run it. See, the output is tuple having items r, e, d. Now let's see list to tuple. List 1 equal to within square brackets 1, 2, 3. Tuple 1 equal to tuple of list 1. Print of tuple 1. Let's run it. See, the output is tuple having items 1, 2, 3. Sequence to tuple. Let's take one example. Tuple 1 equal to tuple of range of 4. Print of tuple 1. Let's run it. See, the output is tuple having items 0, 1, 2, 3. Tuple packing and unpacking. Tuple unpacking. Values of any sequence can be directly assigned to variables. Number of variables in the left should match the length of sequence. Let's take one example. Tuple 1 equal to within parentheses within quote R, comma, within quote E, comma, within quote D, within parentheses S1, comma, S2, comma, S3 equal to tuple 1. Print of S1, print of S2, print of S3. Let's run it. See, the output is tuple is unpacked, that is RED. Errors in unpacking. In this example, I am removing S3 in left side and print of S3. Let's run it. See, the output is value error, that is too many values to unpack. In this example, I am giving X4 in left side. Let's run it. See, the output is value error, not enough values to unpack. Tuple packing. Parentheses or round brackets are optional while creating tuples. In tuple packing, values are separated by commas will be packed into a tuple. Let's take one example. A equal to 1, 2, 3. Print of type of A. Print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is type is tuple. Tuple having items 1 comma 2 comma 3. Let's take another example. A equal to 1 comma print of type of A, print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is type is tuple, tuple having items 1. Let's take another example. A comma equal to 1 comma print of type of A, print of A. Let's run it. See, the output is type is int 1.